Hello motor lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we will be giving you contents of car interior design and all other upholstery work. So what do we have today? We have a GTI in the building for roofline repair. As you can see, the roofline was old and sagging, so the customer decided to give us this work. As you can see, here is Taku removing the roof lining, taking his time, because when dealing with something like this you have to be careful. There is a lot of wires that are connected to the sunroof, wires for lighting and central locking. After removing the roof from the car, we clean it, scratch all the old glue, make sure that it's clean, waiting for the next process. We apply glue using a spray gun, wait for it to dry, then gently, smoothly paste the roofline material on top of the board to avoid wrinkles and air bubbles. After pasting the material, we trim all the excess fabric, doing all the touch-ups, waiting to hang the roof inside the car. Here is the final look of the roof before we hang it inside. And here I am putting everything back together. Make sure everything is in its position and every wire is connected. Once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. Ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill.
but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill, a truth can be a bitter pill. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like the river flows, life will take you where you need to go. That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. Ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill, a truth can be a bitter pill. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like the river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
After connecting all the wires back, you can see the lights are on and everything is functional. Here is the final look of the roof. Hope you will like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.